Hey, what's up? Well, I've been using n8n for quite a while now, and I can tell you that I've learned a lot of things that n8n just does not teach you about. And one of these things is simply the most powerful function that I've ever used so far. This thing is just insane. It is called From AI. You may or may not know about it, but it is a way to make your AI agents create stuff that you can it's like they are creating data that you could not extract from them. It's just insane. So in summary, it is a way to prompt your AI agent, but outside of the prompt, in a way that that prompt is only going to exist if the AI agent performs a specific function. It sounds a little complicated, but I'm going to explain how it works. And if you learn this, your automations are just going to be I don't have words for this. It's like cheating. I feel like I'm cheating on n8n. It's so fun. So, as you can see, I have this AI agent over here. This AI agent manages this workflow, which basically is a workflow that creates new databases. If I say something like create a new database called something something, it's going there, it's going to create the new database, and if I ask in a later moment, can you please input this data into the database, and then you can choose where you want to send the data, or just ask the AI agent to figure out where this data goes, it's just going to take it, put there. Okay, it's just self-expanding. Anyways, I use this specific function in almost every single tool that this AI agent has. As you can see, I have the function over here, from AI. By the way, if you don't know how functions work in n8n, I'm going to write one right here with you. So you just come to expressions and you're gonna type curly brackets, you're gonna type, and here you can see all the functions. But in order to use the from AI, we're gonna go with $sign. Where's the $sign? I actually forgot. Here we go, $sign, and then we go with from. As you can see, just type like FR, and you can see from AI over here. We just click, and we start the function. Now we're gonna use apostrophes, and this is how you start the function. Well, going back to what it does, I'm gonna show you the ones that I've made. As you can see, I have from AI, and this, the first thing that we are typing over here, this is a way, it's like the title of the prompt. This is to give context to the AI of what exactly is this prompt about. So in this case, I am using the AI to create the name of the database. Basically is, as you can see, I say match exact database name before proceeding. So I have a node that is going to take all the databases available inside of the main database, and the AI is going to get the name of the database from there. And what I needed to do is use that information and put it here. Since I cannot manually make an automation that is going to take specifically the one that I want and put in here, I give that function to the AI, so the AI can think in what to do and do it. And this is the way to prompt it. So this is basically the title, database name. So when the AI sees the title, it has the context. Okay, this variable wants me to get the name of the database. Okay. And the second part is the actual prompt. We're gonna put comma, space, and start another apostrophes. This is where we can prompt, and we give a description of what we exactly want. So I say match exact database name before proceeding. So it's very easy. As you can see, it's literally name of the prompt and explanation of the prompt. And I have another one that I did not give an explanation because the title is just enough for the AI to understand what it has to do. So entry content. If I send the message, the AI is going to generate the note for my database. So I'm going to ask, for example, add something to my expenses. So I have an expenses database, and I'm going to say, add this to my expenses. So this is where the AI is going to see, okay, this is where I put the content of the thing that the person is asking me to do. And this is basically how From AI works. As you can see, we can create a new one where I can do literally anything like number. The name of the variable that we are asking the AI to fill in is number. And then we can create the prompt. Put any random number from 1 to 10 inside the field. And that's basically it. I'm telling to the AI that when you are going to send over this data, just put a number from 1 to 10. And what is also interesting, you can mention in the prompt that this field is optional. So the AI doesn't have to send data here. The AI will judge if it needs to send data, but you can send the data if you want to. And that's the magic of using From AI. AI is going to create the data that you want and send it to the right field. Sometimes it can commit mistakes, but if you do it right, you do good prompting, you do good error handling, as you can see here. This is always error handling to handle the errors from AI, but in general sense, there's no limit in what data to send because the AI is literally generating the data, so you can ask for anything inside of the data sending node. So I hope I could help you understanding what From AI is and how you actually work. So if you have any questions, just drop down in the comments and I rush there and try to help you as much as I can. But that's it. I just wanted to give you an overview of how this function works because every float that I make uses it. So thanks for watching the video and that's pretty much it. So bye bye.